Hello, Mrs. Hen. Would you please lay some eggs for Henry Fix's birthday cake? Please?
I don't think she understands, Maya. Never mind. We can still give Henry Fix his other present.
And I can still sing his birthday song. Dear Henry, it's your birthday. Dear Henry, it's today. Dear Henry, happy birthday from the town of Everyday.
I know that noise.
The hens are laying. But what made them start again?
It was your singing, Maya.
Maya, holiday, go now. Yes, Sammy. Just waiting for... Ta-da!
New jumper?
Where we're going, we won't need jumpers, Mama Go. And I think I've caught that holiday feeling. Anyone for a sunny sing-song?
Sing-song? Nothing like a good holiday sing-song.
Holidays, holidays, so much fun.
Sandcastles, ice cream in the sun.
Splash in the pool, stay up late.
Holiday, holiday, we can't wait. Hooray!
Everyone's in Maya's kitchen, ready to get started.
First we squeeze the lemons to get the juice out, add the sugar and stir.
Let's do this.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, singing Mya Go!
Lemonade, lemonade. Take the lemons, some sugar and water, it's so easy. Slice the fruit in half and go squeezy, squeezy. Lemonade, lemonade. Add some ice, it's so nice, let the lemonade flow. We all get to taste it thanks to Mya Go. Lemonade, lemonade. Lemonade.
And your lemonade is ready. Time to try it.
That's delicious.
All plants need to grow big and strong is food from the soil, sun.
And they need lots of water, don't they, Grandpa?
Yes, and a good song now and then. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum.
I didn't know flowers need music to grow.
Well, I like to sing to my flowers, don't I, gang? La, 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
I'll just close this window. It's a bit, breezy.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ha ha! A standing ovation. Oh, flowers, you are too kind.
Mya Go and her family are going on a boat trip.
Let's set sail to the deep blue sea.
Mama, Dada, Sammy, Skipper, Doggy, and me.
Past an island and a ship, far from shore, sailing out to sea. Skipper, show us some more.
It's the captain of the ship, Skipper McKipper.
All aboard my boat, the Unsinkable the Second. Ooh, I'm itching for an adventure on the high seas.
Ah, disco classic, The Twisty Moves by Brother Pledge.
Disco? No, this is just practice for the real disco. Wee, Sammy likes disco.
Great disco lights, Mya Go.
Ooh, we gotta do the twisty moves.
This disco is for the kids, Mama, not us. Remember?
That was great dancing, Sammy.
We'd better get going, or we'll miss all the fun.
Let's go disco.
Oh, I'd better go get my dancing shoes on. What is Daddy doing?
And that was Dynamite from the Sponge Cadets, still rocking out after all these years.
What are you doing, Dada?
Oh, hi, Maya. I was rocking out to that song.
What's rocking out?
Well, it's very much like dancing, only kind of crazier. No jumping around, expressing yourself.
I like expressing myself.
It's so exciting. The band back together again. Are you a big fan, Maya?
Well, I don't know their songs very well, but I like rocking out. Will you be rocking out?
Ah, I'm a bit old for that.
Everyone is eager for the start of the concert.
Good evening, every day!
What's this? It doesn't look like part of the show.
Folks, I'm sorry to tell you that our guitar player hurt himself trying to lift a television in his hotel room. And I guess that means we won't be playing tonight.
Oh.
Unless, do we have a guitar player in the audience?
Yes, my dada knows all the chords to your songs because there are only 3.
Huh?
Well, come on up, Daddy Go.
It looks like we'll have a concert after all.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's dynamite, dynamite, dynamite.
What's happening? Everyone's just nodding.
Yes, that's how grown-ups express themselves sometimes.
Is that rocking out?
Not really, no.
Can we rock out, Mama?
Why not?
It looks like everyone wants to rock out now. Mya might not know rock very well, but she knows how to express herself.
I can't wait for the opera.
Oh, it looks like the whole town have come to the opera. Oh, this is exciting. I've never been to the opera either.
Oh, is it over?
No, it's just starting.
Oh, allio pallio do re mi so palle te fallo ci. Oh, ed.
What's he singing about?
Oh, it's very romantic. He is in love with a girl from his hometown, but it's also very sad because they can't get married.
Doesn't she like him? Is it because of the singing?
You'll have to watch and find out.
What? Oh, yes, terrific performance, isn't it? On the edge of my seat.
Ufali dali obronzi, collo magnifique ponzi, parafeli potrakio.
Now what's happening? Is that the girl he loves? Why can't they get married?
Because she's a princess and her father wants her to marry someone else.
What? That's not fair.
No, a lot of operas have sad stories.
Well, maybe this one is different.
We'll see, won't we?
Valle calce dure franco spiritel miniba fresco amenore tes.
Why are they going boo?
Oh, nobody likes a bossy boots, do they?
Is there always lots of booing at the opera?
It's loud at this one.
Who's this now?
This is the prince the king wants our princess to marry.
He seems a bit silly.
Oh, he's very silly, all right.
She's running away.
That's right. She'd rather be alone than without her true love.
What's happening now?
The princess is lost in the forest.
That doesn't sound good. Look, a dragon! Why doesn't she run? Run away! It's a dragon! She can't hear me.
Don't worry, Mya. Look.
Besto, besto, alla dici besto.
What happened?
Oh, it's all sorted out now. The princess can marry her true love.
Hi, Dada Play. Would you be able to play a special song for me, please?
If I have it, I'll play it.
Great! It's called the Twisty Moves.
By Brother Pledge, a classic. I didn't pack too many oldies, so let's see if I have it. Bingo!
Hooray!
Would you like to come up and make a dedication?
A dedication?
Yes, to let everyone know who the song's for.
Well, would you look at that? DJ Mya is helping DJ Dada Play on the decks.
Hi, everybody. This next song goes out to my very special little brother, Sammy.
Well, looks like Maya's special request is a hit with the Grownups.
Sammy, no song. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We gotta do the twist and roots.
Wonderful.
Yeah!
Sammy loves disco. Maya loves disco too. When the music stops, we have to stand very still, just like a statue. Okay, Sammy? Like a statue, like a statue. Exactly. Okay, go!
Oh, everybody stop.
That's it. Stay completely still.
Well now, who's this cheeky little fella then?
Huh? Sammy, you moved. Sorry, but that means you're out. But I heard noise. Don't worry, Sammy. You can be in charge of the music. Yay!
Nobody move!
Oh, looks like our little friend is back for a second helping.
What was that? Sophie, you moved. You're out. But I thought I heard... Never mind.
You're all doing so well. Oh, now he's taking the biscuit.
Okay, I definitely heard something that time. Me too. Me three. How strange. There's only one cookie left. Now we can make a really big cake for Henry Fix.
A cake? For me? Oh, you shouldn't have.
And we got you something else, too.
A new spanner. Brilliant!
I'm glad you like it, Henry Fix. I hope you like this just as much. Dear Henry, it's your birthday. Dear Henry, it's today. Dear Henry, happy birthday from the town of Everyday.
Make sure you have room for your instruments, everyone. Your cello's biggest, Emily. You can come over here.
This noise is a bit much for Doggy Go.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Huh?
What was that, Maya?
Just a little hiccup. Okay, let's play our scales and warm up before we practice. Do, re, mi, fa.
Maybe you should sit down for a second, Maya.
Oh, Mya Go seems to have a case of the hiccups. Oh, Doggy Go doesn't like those hiccups.
Wow, that's a lot of hiccups. Ah, there he is. Hey, my hiccups are gone. I wonder what stopped them.
Now I remember. Mama Play said the cure for hiccups is a big surprise.
Well, you're the best surprise ever, Doggy Go.
There'll be an extra treat in your bowl today, Doggy Go. Good boy.
And we still have time to practice.
Yay! Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Thanks to Doggy Go, Maya's back in good voice. She can say goodbye to our pesky case of hiccups. Oh dear, now I've got them.